Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we'll be comparing two great espresso machines. Don't forget to like this video, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews like this one. When it comes to price, the DeLonghi Magnifica Evo is definitely on the pricier side at $1,039, while the Mueller espresso machine is more affordable at $419. You'll have to decide if the added features of the DeLonghi are worth the extra cost. Both machines offer a variety of brewing options, but the Mueller espresso machine takes it to the next level with its dual grind and brew function. You can grind your own coffee beans and brew either a single or double shot espresso using either the Portafilter or Bottomless Portafilter. Plus, it comes with everything you need to create your own barista quality coffee experience at home. The DeLonghi Magnifica Evo has a built-in conical burr grinder with 13 settings for customizing your grind preferences. Meanwhile, the Mueller espresso machine also boasts a conical burr grinder that allows you to adjust the grind setting from fine to coarse, giving you more control over the taste of your coffee. For those who love frothy milk, the DeLonghi Magnifica Evo's traditional frother will help produce perfectly textured foam with milk alternatives. On the other hand, the Mueller espresso machine comes with a built-in steam valve for frothing your own milk, which is great for those who prefer to have full control over their frothing process. Cleaning your espresso machine is important for maintaining its performance. The DeLonghi Magnifica Evo comes with removable and dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleaning, making the process quicker and simpler. The Mueller espresso machine also claims to be easy to clean, but it does not have the same level of convenience as the DeLonghi. That concludes our comparison of the DeLonghi Magnifica Evo and the Mueller espresso machine. Both machines have their pros and cons, but which one is right for you depends on your personal preference and needs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this one.